my beloved pet dairy, I bequeath my pineapple and my jewel shed in my mailbox, and Patrick. Wow. Sometimes I forget just how absorbent I am.
What? Ow! Just stop spinning, you sponge! You're stealing my grunge! Something wrong!
Civil authorities has issued a tropical storm warning for the following areas: Sunshine Peaks, MC Amanda Crooks, MC Vivid Dreams, MC. Until 5:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The weather radar has detected a huge storm that is capable of producing a hurricane. Hazard. Storm. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. High tides on seas and strong winds up on 60 to 80 mph winds on northeast of the Amanda Crooks shore. Expect trees falling off and cars crashing around. Please evacuate to your nearby evacuation center, as your landlady will give speech to the center. Pack things you might need nor not. Code 20 for million for 100 for alert O Magnum E1 E55.